All right, there should be just enough where we can pop this sucker loose. There it goes.
Yeah, it's separating.
How's it going? I'm Jeremy with MS Videos, and I just wanted to jump in here real quick and let you know that the video you're about to watch and the video that's going to be coming out in a few days, we realized we made a couple of mistakes that were hard to recover from after we did all the work, so we're just going to go with it and let you know that we're aware. So for the next videos after the first two, we have better camera angles and we will move the camera not behind us. At the time, didn't even really think about it, just started going to town. I think we were just too excited to actually start working on it to really think about what we did. So anyways, just wanted to jump in here real quick and let you know that we caught it when we were editing. We saw it and we're like, yeah, that was pretty bad, but we're not going to put the engine back together just to take it apart again. So anyways, please enjoy and stay tuned for the next ones. So later.
Should I hold on to this or something?
Yeah.
Or do you need help lifting this?
I got it.
You sure?
Yep.
Hell yeah. Ow.
I even said to watch it. Are you doing those in a crisscross pattern?
Sorta, yeah.
Here, 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 here. You don't want to do them just in a row.
Oh, I'm not going in a row, but I started here, and then I went 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 here.
Okay. So technically, that's the wrong way to do it.
Okay.
So just, you got to treat these like a wheel. Okay. Because it'll deform.
Because it's equal pressure all the way around.
So you got to start with one, go the opposite side, and then over, over,
right.
over. So you always. Luckily, we're not using this one again, so it's okay. But
I think it's this one.
So we'll do it the old school way, which is find something like this, and then a pry bar and stick it
into the teeth.
Okay, ready to catch it?
So for those that don't know, this is a Toyota 3S GE that came out of an Altezza and was shipped here to be put in tofu over here.
It's not getting called tofu.
I like it.
I'll try my best to lock this down.
Okay. Go. Here we go.
Yep.
Nice and easy. Okay. Ready? All right. Here we go. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
All right. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Nope. Let's reline that up. Ready?
Yep.
I don't want to fucking round it out, so it's backing off for a second. Okay. Here we go. Oops. Get comfy. Let me know when you're ready.
I'm ready.
Okay, here we go. Jesus.
See if I've got another one. Okay, got one left.
We got two bolts, so. Fucking hand is raw from that.
Do you want me to do this part?
I got it. I mean, kinda, yeah, just because anything else goes wrong. But
Okay, so here's the deal with this. You put it in here and you lock it in, and then you don't move, because if this thing slips, we both get hurt.
Yeah. Okay, you ready?
Yep, let's make sure that thing's straight.
Nice and easy. All right, that's all of them. So in the process of destroying that bit, it also broke free, so I guess that's good.
Yeah.
And we still got healthy connections, so we can reuse it.
Well, I'm gonna replace the bolts.
I figured you were gonna replace the hardware.
That would not get broke free.
Pretty sure we did all of them, but I guess we can test it out real quick, right? All right, here we go. You ready?
Yep.
I mean, they're all pretty gummed up though. This one's just worse.
What I'm replacing it with is like 8 pounds.
This is like 13.
So many tins, so little time. Here you go. You gonna catch it?
I caught it with my leg. Got some handy dandy hardware. Let's see if we can get this to work. Oh yeah. I think they're too short.
How's it going? I'm Jeremy with MS Videos, and we started taking the Beams engine and getting it ready for the stand. So picked up another engine stand, got the transmission separated from the engine, got the clutch and flywheel and everything out of the way. Went to put the engine stand plate, this guy, on the back of the block, and our bolts are about 1/4 inch too short. So tomorrow, make a hardware run, pick up some bolts, and we'll go from there. But for tonight, we made progress.
First step, really.
Yeah, ordered the clutch, like officially ordered the clutch. Not in stock at the vendor, but if it is in stock at the manufacturer, they said, well, I'll see it here in a few weeks. That's where we're at. Got the transmission off. Now I can do the conversion for the 86 on it. Once I get this on the stand, we'll take everything that's not needed off of it, clean everything up, probably review all the seals and gaskets while we got it apart, and then wait for the clutch to get here. Once the clutch gets here, at that point I'll have the oil pan done and all that stuff squared away, do a test fit in the car and see what we need to do. So there we go. Finally happening.